Alright, so today I thought I'd tell you guys the secret settings to shooting with the phone. So, believe it or not, I get this question a lot, and the answer, the secret that's going to make you better than everyone is there isn't a secret. You just push the button, you take a photo, alright? And yeah, I don't even know why I'm making a video about this, but many people ask me how you take a photo in the rain, and there's really nothing to it besides just taking the photo in the rain. I mean, that's it. It's not a setting that's gonna make you better than anyone else, and there's no secret editing technique. You just take the photo, and it's a phone. I mean, you just push a button. There's no aperture slash ISO dial or whatever, but I mean, I guess there's some apps that do it, but I don't really worry about that. If you are worried about how to do all that, well, I have a tutorial where I just show you how to shoot with a phone, but it's nothing more than me pushing a button. So hope that helps someone, because people keep asking, but you know, what can you do? Just keep repeating the message and hopefully people will catch on.